How to use American Express gift card on PS5. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the step-by-step process of utilizing an American Express gift card for transactions on your PlayStation 5 gaming console. So it's a really straightforward procedure, so be sure to pay attention and follow along closely. So you have the option to incorporate the American Express gift card as a valid payment method, either through the official PlayStation website or directly on your PlayStation 5 system. Nevertheless, a few individuals have encountered difficulties whereby an error message pops up indicating that the card is deemed invalid when attempting to finalize a purchase using the American Express gift card. So in order to navigate around this particular issue, my suggestion is to consider obtaining a PlayStation Store digital gift card, a reputable retailer that acknowledges the American Express gift cards. Initially, make an attempt with the American Express gift card, and if it proves unsuccessful, consider acquiring a digital card from popular stores such as Target, Walmart, or Amazon. Subsequently, you can effectively utilize the digital gift card as a payment method on the PlayStation Store for acquiring games or additional content for your PlayStation 5 console. It is imperative to ensure that the American Express card retains an adequate balance for successful transactions. I trust that this comprehensive guide will facilitate your experience in utilizing the American Express gift card on your PlayStation 5 console. So if you found this video tutorial to be beneficial, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing for more insightful tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.